I got you, Mom. Come on in. I was one of the drivers that they sent out there.
Rita Mata went out to drive the bus out in the 2021 winter storm, but that didn't last long.
They did send us back, pulled us back in, not realizing with the danger, how dangerous it was out there.
Mata says she's been a bus driver for 28 years, and 5 years ago, she got her first experience driving in a winter storm. She says it got bad.
Very. I mean, I had no control. I was just sliding on the ice, thinking that I was going even upward, but the weight of the bus, it kind of just kept on going. And luckily, I had another operator on here that I had just picked up.
Mata's experience is what Director of Operations for the Waco Transit Department, Charles Parham, wants to avoid this weekend with the upcoming winter storm.
Mainly the ice is what we can't travel in the ice. So as long as there's not ice, it's just cold weather, more than likely we're going to maintain service.
After having an unforgettable experience driving in the storm, Mata is grateful the transit system is taking safety seriously. And her message to riders is clear if it applies to them.
But if you don't have to be out there, stay home. Stay home. I mean, because even if it's icy out there, we're just walking, it was like where I was stuck at, the whole parking lot was iced over. So, I mean, just stay home. You don't want to get hurt or anything. So
Waco Transit says that if the weather gets bad this weekend, they will have to delay travel just to keep bus drivers and riders safe. They're asking that if you are going to be taking the bus this weekend, make sure you wear warm clothes. I'm Chantal Belafonte reporting in your neighborhood of Waco.